More and more customers are choosing this machine for the production of door panels and cabinets. Machine console, mouse, keyboard, handwheel assisted control of machines, automatic tool setting device, automatic measurement and setting for all tool lengths, these are two pressure rollers that can securely secure the board. 9 kW air-cooled spindle, 12 tool stock. Tool holder for convenient tool change. Side and tail auxiliary feeding rollers. Control button. This is the side positioning device. Limit sensing switch. Automatic refueling pump is used for lubrication of sliders, guide rails, and racks. The vacuum adsorption table is divided into different areas. Each valve controls each different area separately. Open counterclockwise, close clockwise. This is the main air supply port of the machine, used to provide power to the cylinder components of the machine. The outer diameter of the intake pipe is 8 mm, the inner diameter is 6 mm, and the air pressure is not less than 0, 6 MPa. Simply insert the intake pipe into the connector. You can find a small door on the side of the machine. Opening the small door reveals the pressure gauges, and the intake pressure should not be less than 0, 6 MPa. Next to it is a pressure protection element. Once the air pressure drops below the safe value, the machine system will display an alarm.